Hi guys, namaste, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually going to be a really impromptu and unplanned haul video that I decided to do for you guys. So I actually moved to a new city a couple of months ago for my job, and you know how when you move to a new city there's always stuff that you need to buy, like daily essentials and everything. So actually when I got my first salary, I went out shopping for stuff that I needed and also ended up fancying out a little bit and shopping for a lot of stuff that I liked online. So I obviously did not go all out shopping at once for all of these products. These are products that I have accumulated over the past 1.5 months maybe, and all of these products I got during the Christmas sale, the New Year's sale and the 26th January sale that was going on. And all of these products are from Shein, Nykaa, Flipkart and Ajio. So obviously I'm going to mention it on every product specifically, where the product is from and how much it cost me. In case I'm not able to recall how much it costs, I'm definitely going to mention the link and the price in the description box below so you guys can go ahead and check it out. And this is obviously going to be a try on haul video, so if you like this video guys, please share it with your friends, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and do leave your comments down below about which outfit or which product rather was your favorite among all of the things that I share with you in this haul. So that would be it I guess, and without further delay, let's just jump into the video. Okay, so the first product is actually this sweatshirt that I was wearing in the introduction part as well. So it has like these really nice sequins and the sleeves go up till here, but obviously like I have rolled them up because this is how I think that it looks good on me. The sequins on this thing actually are reversible, so it's like if you do this they turn silver, and then when you roll them back down they turn pink. And yeah, it's a great time pass guys. I low-key love doing this. But anyway, so this is really comfy, the quality is great. I think for the price this wasn't like too expensive. That's all I remember for this, honestly. This is gonna like glam up any plain outfit in second. This is really a very good option if you like want to go clubbing with your friends but you don't feel like dressing up too much. You know, times when you're chumming and you feel bloated and you're like, yeah, I'm not in the mood of dressing up and everything. So I think this is a really good option for that. Also, if you're like going out for a movie date with all your friends and you want to fancy things a little but you don't want to try too hard, this is actually a really great piece to have. So if you actually live in a place where it gets slightly cold, this is a great thing to throw on and you know just like be warm and be cozy. So yeah, definitely worth the buy. The next product is actually my favorite product of all of the things that I got in this haul. So this is how it looks like when I put it on. It's so gorgeous. It's not like really out glitter in your eye, but it's like really subtle, nice matte sequence on it. I really love this, and I love this chain detailing here on the shoulders. But the reason why I'm wearing a black t-shirt underneath to show you guys is because this has like really deep armpits here on the side. Okay, so if you are somebody who has a comparatively lighter upper body, this would look absolutely stunning on you. You don't even have to think twice before buying it. It's gonna look great. All you have to do is like throw maybe a black bralette underneath and you'll be good to go. But for somebody who actually comparatively has a heavier upper body like me, this is something that I would think twice before wearing. So I think I will have to get this altered. And this is how the back looks like. So yeah, this is pretty much it. I definitely recommend. If you like this a little baggy, you can go for your usual size because I wear a medium. So I got this in a medium, but if you want it a little tighter on yourself, you can go for a size small. And let's move to the new product. Up next is this really gorgeous belt that I got again from Shein. It has like this really nice golden buckle, and instead for the regular holes that you have in your belt, this has golden eyelets for the holes. So this is what it looks like when you put it on. I feel that it just glams up any plain outfit and just, you know, steals all the attention. It's so beautiful and it would completely turn over any plain outfit that you wear anytime. definitely recommend. And this was just for like 140 something bucks, 150 at max. This was not very expensive. So if you're looking for something slightly different than your regular plain black or white belt, definitely give this a try. 100% worth every penny that you spend this on. The next product is actually also a fancy belt that I got again from Shein. So this is what it looks like. It's gold in color, and the reason why I got this belt actually in the first place was because I wanted something that could fancy up my plain black dresses and something that I could also wear on saris, like how people have been putting belts on their sari pallus these days. So I thought that would be a really good idea to get a fancy belt like this, and I'm going to put it on and show you guys how it looks. So this is what it looks like when you put it on. I know I look really dumb because I have put it on my waist instead of my jeans, but obviously, like with a fancy belt like this, you're obviously gonna wear it on your waist and not your jeans, guys, obviously. So this is how it looks like. I feel that it's gonna fancy up any plain jumpsuit or any plain dress that you wear anytime. The ends hang a little bit like this, but you can obviously layer them up like this to your side, or like just this, or you can like just let it hang loose like this. And this baby I got for like 297 rupees, approximately 300, slightly on the pricier side, but definitely, like if you're somebody who wears a lot of plain dresses and is looking for something to fancy it up, definitely worth the money. Up next we have this gorgeous cropped leather jacket. This is obviously not real leather, guys. Like, I love the poofy sleeves that it has over here. It's so fancy, it's so dressy. So this I actually did not buy for myself. A friend gifted this to me, and this is also from Shein, and this baby is for 1400 rupees. I don't know if you guys can see it through the camera, but the quality is absolutely amazing. So when you like put the zip on, this baby looks even more stunning. This is how it looks like. This I love because this is not one of those regular biker leather jackets that you see everyone wearing. It's girly because of the poofy sleeves, but it's also really sexy because of the kind of fitting and the kind of cropped length that it has. So this is definitely one of my favorite picks from Shein, and let's move to the next product now. Okay, so these babies were also gifted to me by the same friend who gifted me this jacket. So this is what they look like, and if you can see, they have this really nice leathery finish to them. I do fit into them, but I think that I should have gone for a size up, and they are not exchangeable or returnable, which I think is a bummer, and I think I'm gonna have to make do with this. But even though like you will say that I fit into them, but I actually not, because you can see like the zipper lining opening up here a little bit. It's not like straight how it is supposed to be, how it usually should. So I wouldn't say it's ill-fitting, but at the same time I feel that I think I would have been more comfortable if I would have gone for a size up. Also, another bad part about this is that the pockets here are not deep at all. So this I think is also quite a bummer, because I don't understand, guys, why do companies not make pockets for women when they are making clothing for us? I mean, why do they think that we don't need pockets? I don't understand. So it's as good as having no pockets. So these were for 1100 bucks or maybe 1000 bucks, I don't exactly remember. The quality is not the best that I have gotten from Shein. I have gotten better products from Shein at a much lesser price, but these are definitely not bad. But if you like them, I would highly recommend that you go for a size up for them. So yeah, this is what they look like, and I think that they look really nice when I pair them up with this jacket. What do you think? The next product are these gorgeous hoop golden earrings. So this is actually what the size is like, what the original size is like. I wanted them to be a little smaller, like I mentioned to you guys, but I think the quality is fair. I wouldn't say it's the best, because I have gotten a lot of jewelry from Shein that has tarnished over the time. I got this really beautiful necklace from Shein a while ago that tarnished because of the sweat, and I was heartbroken because it was like my favorite necklace ever. So I don't know if that's gonna happen with this, but I think because it's not very expensive, the quality is also not extremely good, it might happen with this also. So if you decide to get these for yourself, make sure that you don't pair anything else up with them, because these in themselves are really eye-catching. So when somebody is looking at you and you're wearing a lot of jewelry and then you're also wearing this along with it, this might not look so flattering if you pairing it up with other pieces as well. So yeah, this is what they look like. They are not like your regular hoops. They're really thick. They look really flattering. They look really good on you. And because everybody has been trying out gold jewelry lately, you can definitely give these a try and let me know what you think about them in the comment section down below. Okay, so the next product is actually not something that I actually purchased from Shein. It's something that I actually got as a free gift. So Shein had this offer where if you shop above 3,000 rupees, they would send you a free gift, and this was the free gift that I received. These are actually a pair of socks, nothing too fancy. They have this little bunny here at the end that actually like goes above your leg, and it has these two really cute ears on the top. It has this heart at the front, and the place where the sole is, they have like these really cute paws at the back. These are really soft, and I mean, for a free gift, they are pretty good quality. If you live in a cold place and if you always feel cold like how I do, I always need to put on socks when I go to bed because my feet are always cold. And I think that would be it for the Shein part. Now let's move on to Ajio. So moving on to Ajio, these are the pair of blue denims that I got from Ajio. These are from the company Project Eve. Super comfortable, great quality. The only problem that I have with these jeans is I'm a size 28 and I got these in size 30 because the website did not have my size. It's actually my fault, it's not even like the product's flaw. They keep writing down every time I wear them, so I will have to get them fitted from my tailor. I really like this really nice ombre effect that it has on the leg. So it's like dark at the top and then the color fades away when you reach the bottom. It has like the deepest pockets ever. Okay, so like, can you see? This is how the pockets are. I lost my shit when I received the product. I mean, I have never owned a pair of jeans that had such pockets. I flipped out when I received the product. These are so practical, and I mean, I would buy this product over and over again for the price, the quality, the pockets, of course, and the kind of really nice effect that it has, this ombre thingy. So yeah, if you're looking for a pair of blue denims that you can just throw on and you're fed up of wearing the same old blue jeans every day, definitely give these a try. Moving on to the next Ajio product, guys. These are a pair of jeans from the company DNMX, and I really like this detailing here on the side that has this really cool lining. This is not patchwork actually. They have the grey thingy imprinted on the material itself. It does not have pockets, guys. They have pseudo pockets, for a disappointment, but they do have pockets here at the back, and the fit is really nice. Yes, I would definitely recommend them if you're looking for a pair of jeans that fits you well, that is good quality, and the absence of pockets does not bother you. I was like just so heartbroken when I realized they did not have pockets, but okay. Now I haven't really washed them because I haven't worn them at all. This is the first time I'm wearing them, so I don't know if this grey thingy is gonna go with time. But from the history that I've had of shopping at Ajio, the products are actually always really good quality. So I don't think that this grey thingy is gonna fade away anytime soon. So yeah, you can definitely go for them if you're looking for a white pair of jeans for yourself. Okay guys, so moving on to Nykaa, my favorite part. Oh my god. So these are the 4 lipsticks that I got from Nykaa. Now 2 of them are from the Lakme Absolute range and these 2 are from the Lakme 95 range. Now out of all these 4 products, this is one product, the Lakme 95 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color. So this product I already have tried in the past. I just ordered a different shade of it, and these 3 I actually, these 3 I actually tried for the first time. So I am just gonna swatch all 4 shades of these babies and show you what they look like, and also give you a mini review for all of them. So let's start. We're gonna start off with the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Lip Color. The packaging is just so beautiful in itself. It's this golden stick that you have. It's not a liquid lip color, obviously. It's one of those conventional twist lipsticks that have the bullet thingy. So this is what the product looks like on my face. This is again the Lakme Absolute argan oil lip color in the shade Crimson Silk. It's really nourishing, it's really creamy on the lips. I don't think this would make my lips go dry at all. It's not completely matte. And one of the best things about this shade is that red lipsticks tend to make your teeth look yellow a lot, but this doesn't happen with this one. The formula is really good. This lipstick is priced at 800 rupees. Oops, I dropped something. You can obviously head to Nykaa or any other place that you usually buy your cosmetics from. This is, I think, one shade that would look great on any skin tone. So this is one shade that you should definitely give a try to. Moving on to the next lipstick, it's the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Liquid Lip Color. What a tongue twister! In the shade Crazy Tangerine, and this is what the packaging looks like. I'm actually currently wearing this product right now, and when it arrived and I put it on, I wasn't really very happy with the shade because I fall in the medium to dark skin tone category. So if you're someone who is in the same category as me, I don't think this is one shade that you should go for because it's right there on your face. It doesn't gel in with your complexion. This would be a great shade if you fall in the fair to medium skin tone category. This would look really, really flattering on you. It's transfer proof, yes. Not 100%, but it is transfer proof. But I just felt like this was really, really drying on my lips. So I wasn't like really happy with the result. I wasn't happy with the color. I wasn't happy with the result. You can go for any other shade that you think would look flattering on you. And yeah, now we're gonna move on to the next lip shade. Moving on to the next product, we have the Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick in the shade Blushing Nude. I think most of you guys would have already tried this product. So this is actually what the shade looks like. It is this beautiful, beautiful nude shade. It's like nude but with just the right amount of hint of a pinkish shade, so it makes you look really fresh and really dewy. The packaging is really great, the formula is great, it's very creamy, it's not drying on the lips. The shade is personally something that I would wear every day to work. It's not like right there in your face. It doesn't look like you haven't worn anything, but it also looks like you are wearing something that makes you look flattering enough. You can get this anywhere, obviously at Flipkart, Nykaa, Amazon or Purple, anywhere. So yeah, give this a try if you're looking for a good nude shade for yourself, and I think this would look great on any skin complexion, honestly. On to my favorite lipstick in this haul, guys. This is the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Matte Mousse Lip and Cheek Color in the shade Cocoa Soft, and this is what the packaging looks like. I personally have always been really scared of trying out brown shades on me because I feel that I wouldn't be able to pull it off, but then I gave this a try and oh my god, this looks so amazing. This is, I think, gonna be like my favorite lipstick for the next decade, okay? So in all of the lipsticks that I have used in my life, this one has hands down been the best I have tried so far. Like, I have tried lipsticks from L'Oreal, from Lakme, from Maybelline, everything, but this one beats every single one of them. It stays the longest. It has the best pigmentation that I have tried so far. It doesn't dry my lips and it doesn't like fade away too quickly. The fragrance is to die for. The formula is to die for. The shade, at least this particular one, is again to die for. This is like the best thing to have happened to me in the whole lipstick universe. So if you're looking for a lipstick to surrender yourself to, this has got to be the one, guys. So moving on to the Flipkart footwear haul, I actually got 3 pairs of footwear that I have right here. So let's start. To the next product, I got these white sneakers of Flipkart. These are from Puma and I got these for I think 27 or 2800 rupees, slightly pricey, but these are like the most comfortable shoes I have owned all my life, okay? Now I've been wanting white sneakers for quite some time now, but every time I would go to a shop or see somebody wearing them, they were all identical and I was like, no, I want something different for myself. So when I came across these, it was love at first sight and I was like, I need them in my life. So I really like how they have done the lacing part here at the side. These are super comfortable, okay? So when you wear them, you have like half an inch of cushioning surrounding your foot. If you put them on, you don't feel like stepping out of them at all. So yeah, if you're looking for a good pair of white sneakers, you should definitely give these a try. On to the next product, I have these really beautiful Allen Solly heels. The heel is not too much, if you guys can see. Hardly 2 or 2.5 inch heel, not too much. The color is like the most gorgeous thing ever, okay? It's not green, it's not blue, it's this really nice teal green blue color, if you know what I mean. With these heels I couldn't really feel them at all. I couldn't feel like I was wearing heels. They were so comfortable. The cushioning here at the middle is really soft, really comfortable, and these were for 1200 rupees. Not too pricey, because if you actually go for good quality heel sandals, that's the range that you usually get them at. So 1200 rupees for Allen Solly sandals, definitely not a bad deal. And the last product in this haul, finally guys, are these shoes from Bata. They actually look super beautiful. They look so amazing. They're so flattering. They had these in black, white, beige. Yeah, just these three colors. So I got them in beige. They look really beautiful. But guys, this was such a disappointing purchase for me, because okay, number one, it does not have rubber soles. Okay, it has plastic soles, if you can hear. See? So if you walk wearing these on slippery surfaces like tiles or polished surfaces, there is a possibility that you will slip and embarrass yourself. So yeah, also they're super uncomfortable. Okay, super uncomfortable. So I wore these shoes one day for work and I could not walk 20 minutes in these shoes. When I came back in the evening at around 7 or 8, I had 5 blisters on each foot. That's how uncomfortable these are. This is like the first product by Bata that I have owned which is uncomfortable and which I'm not happy about. You can see this golden detailing here at the heel. I actually own a really beautiful pair of footwear by Aldo and it has the same golden detailing here at the heel. So when I found the same thing in Bata, I was so happy, I was so excited, but I was just not happy with this, guys. This was a huge heartbreak. So that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I had a lot of fun shooting it. I hope you guys had fun watching it as well. If I have missed out any of the details of any of the products, please let me know in the comment section down below so I can reply to you guys and give you information about the same. And if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends, press the bell icon, and please take care of yourselves, and I'm going to see you very soon in the next video. Bye!